If you like kitchen magnets and football stadiums, then you'll love this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just ordered this. It's from Stadium Map Art. I bought a coaster from them and I was so impressed by it, I went ahead and ordered this too. Now, this is also of my alma mater's football arena here. This is Ryan Field / Dyke Stadium back in the day, and you can see it's made out of wood here, but it has magnets on the back, so it's actually very light. The wood is very light, laser cut. I do want to show you a close-up of this, and then we'll see if it actually sticks to the refrigerator. All right, so here's the magnet. I would love to know what kind of wood they make this out of. Let's go in really close there, but you can see they basically laser cut this. There's no angled cuts, it's just layered wood, and then they cut it out and glue it all together, presumably. But you can see there we've got the full football field on there, the whole stadium, even the press boxes up at the top, which is cool, the terrace over here, and then the magnets on the back right here. So it's not that expensive, and if you have a favorite stadium, you know, the Detroit Lions, the Northwestern Wildcats, something like that, maybe it's another for your Big Ten team, maybe it's another team altogether, well, you can celebrate that professional college team by having a little reminder. Now, in this case, as I mentioned, the old Ryan Field is getting torn down, rebuilt, so I wanted some memorabilia of the original one, the one that I enjoyed as a kid when I was going to college there. But this thing is pretty cool, and it should stick to your refrigerator, hold up your most precious pieces of artwork, that bill that you need to pay, whatever it might be. And so if you want a little reminder, right in eyeshot, right at your kitchen, right on your refrigerator, I think these little stadium map art pieces are really, really cool. And this one is nice and easy to display right on your refrigerator. And again, it won't break the bank. This thing was relatively inexpensive. So if you want to celebrate that sport life every day in the kitchen, I'll put a link to this stadium art in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever, thanks to Peter Von Panda.